Imagine yourself in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra sedan. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: electronic stability control system, power door locks, tilt telescopic steering wheel, traction control system, 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, manual day-night rear-view mirror, and 2-speed intermittent windshield wipers. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.